Testimony is now underway in Carmelo Anthony's murder trial. He's accused of stabbing Austin Metcalf last spring at a high school track meet in Frisco. We're well into witness testimony right now, and the jury just heard both sides lay out their arguments for the first time. Kevin Reese is live at the Collin County Courthouse. How are prosecutors and defense attorneys approaching this case so far?
Well, as we would have expected in these opening statements today, prosecutors called this senseless, a provoked murder, while the attorney for Carmelo Anthony, as expected, implored the jury to consider what he did that day, an act of self-defense. After 2 days of jury selection here at the Collin County Courthouse, the trial essentially began this morning with those opening statements. Carmelo Anthony, who was 17 at the time, facing up to 99 years in prison if convicted of the murder of 17-year-old Austin Metcalf at that high school track meet April 2nd of last year. In those opening statements, First Assistant District Attorney Bill Worski told the jury that Anthony plunged a knife into Metcalf's heart and ran away. He called it an unjustified, provoked murder. This case is not self-defense, he said. This was simply senseless. However, defense attorney Mike Howard said Austin Metcalf makes the first physical contact, grabs, shoves, and pushes Anthony, and that Anthony acted in fear and chaos, and that after Anthony defended himself, he ran. However, court watchers today question whether a knife against someone who is unarmed can be considered self-defense.
And even the state conceded that. Yeah, he tried to push him to get him out of the tent, and it was at that moment that he pulled the knife out, already open, and plunged it into his chest. And so, that's just a really, really tough set of circumstances, because there's no denying there was no deadly force, unless he thought he was going to take him and throw him down the bleachers, I guess.
Also today, the first prosecution witness today, Robert Starr, the head coach for Memorial High School that day, emotional at times, describing seeing Austin Metcalf's body for the very first time after that stabbing, and shared an earlier text exchange between the two. He said, "Be a leader. I'm going to lean on my older guys," he told Austin Metcalf in that text exchange. And the response from Austin Metcalf, "For sure, coach, I got you." That is the first emotional testimony. There will certainly be much more as this trial continues. Day 4 expected to continue tomorrow morning. At the Collin County Courthouse, I'm Kevin Reese.
All right, Kevin, thank you for that insight. And with no cameras allowed inside, you can trust us to serve as your eyes and ears. WFAA has a team of reporters and legal experts to take you inside the courtroom. After the trial is streaming at 8 p.m. on WFAA Plus, Everyday Courts in Session. Download the free app to your TV and stay on top of all the developments.